Launching a spaceship is a complex and highly specialized process that involves extensive planning, technology, and expertise. Here's a simplified overview of the steps involved. Design. Engineers and scientists design the spaceship to meet its mission requirements, including payload, destination, and duration in space. Build. Skilled technicians and engineers construct the spacecraft with precision and using advanced materials. Pre-launch testing. The spacecraft undergoes extensive testing to ensure all systems work correctly. This includes environmental testing, such as vibration and thermal tests. Rocket selection. Choose an appropriate launch vehicle rocket based on the spacecraft's weight and destination. Different rockets have different capabilities. Launch site. Identify a suitable launch site, which often includes a launch pad and ground support infrastructure. Launch window. Calculate the ideal launch window, taking into account orbital mechanics, destination, and mission objectives. Countdown. A highly coordinated countdown sequence begins, involving system checks, fueling, and final preparations. Ignition. The rocket's engines are ignited, and the spacecraft begins its journey into space. Launch and ascent. The rocket propels the spacecraft into space. Staging may occur, where rocket stages are discarded as they burn out. Orbit insertion. Depending on the mission, the spacecraft may need to reach a specific orbit or trajectory, which may involve additional engine burns. Mission operations. Once in space, the spacecraft's mission objectives are carried out, which could include scientific observations, communication, or exploring other celestial bodies. Spacecraft separation. If the mission involves deploying multiple payloads, the spacecraft may separate from the rocket's upper stage. Mission control. Skilled teams on Earth continuously monitor the spacecraft and make adjustments as needed. Mission conclusion. The spacecraft completes its mission and, in some cases, re-enters Earth's atmosphere or continues its journey into deep space. Post-mission analysis. Scientists and engineers analyze mission data to learn from the experience and improve future missions. It's important to note that space launches are typically carried out by government space agencies like NASA or ESA, or private aerospace companies like SpaceX or Blue Origin. They require significant resources and expertise.